How to create a MySQL database in GoDaddy. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into GoDaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which brings us to the cPanel settings page in GoDaddy. On the main dashboard, scroll down and click on the MySQL Databases option. This will take you to the MySQL Databases page. Next, to create a database, type a suitable name in the database name field. Make sure the name is simple and related to your project. Now, click on the Create Database button, and done. Your new database has been created successfully. You can find your database under the Current Databases section. This is how you can create a MySQL database in GoDaddy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.